Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Priscilla and today's video is going to be a Korean beauty haul. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing a giveaway very soon. Stay tuned and I will let you guys know how to enter. But anyway, let's just get started with the video. So the very first thing I have is this box here. I just put all of the things that I got for free in here, so let's check. So the first thing is this hair mask here. The only thing I can read is perfect repair. The next thing, so I got two of these trial kits by Iope. Comes with the Iope Brighten Ampule Essence Bioluminous, the Eye Cream Youth Complete, and the Hydro Cream. So I got two of those. Then I got these Soap Berry Brightening Cleansing Tissues. I don't really like those cleansing tissues though, they're too perfumey. Then I got this mask by Laneige, which I'm super excited to try. It's the Clear Sea Advanced Effector EX Mask. And the last thing I got for free, oh wait, you know what? I got a Laneige trial kit as well, but I used it, so. So the very last free thing I got is this Iope Air Cushion. It's the Perfection one. So I know there's like 3 different ones. It's like light, medium, and full coverage. I think this is the medium coverage. And this is in the shade C13, which is Cool Fair. The lady matched this to me a few months ago actually. It was winter, so I was even lighter than I am right now, so hopefully it still works with my skin tone. So when you open it, it comes with the cushion and the container thing, and then it comes with an extra cushion for when you run out. So I open it like this, and I actually opened it yesterday to test it out. I didn't use it, but I dipped it in the thing. So normally there would be like a film here to protect it, but took it off yesterday. It doesn't look like there's a lot of product, so we'll see. And I already put on primer and my concealer under my eyes, so. Oh. Okay, it's a little light, but the coverage is really good. For me at least, since I mainly just use BB creams. Alright, so I put it on this side and not this side, so if you can see the difference. This side's a lot darker. Alright, so I'm going to apply it to this side of my face as well, and then I'm going to try putting like bronzer and blush on to see if I can get my face looking back to life. Alright, so I added a little bronzer and also some blush, and it's looking a little better. I still think it's a little lighter than I want right now, but I think it will be really good for me when it's winter. Okay, so moving on to the next products that I got. The first one is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. And I've been so excited to try this for so long. Like I said, I got this stuff a couple of months ago, and I have been fighting myself on using this because I wanted to make the video. Maybe I should have just used it and did like a review on it. I've heard so many good things about this. The first place I heard it from was Morgan from the Beauty Breakdown, and I love her channel, so if you haven't heard of her, go check her out. She also has really dry skin like me, so she recommended this, so I got it. And then the next one is also by Laneige. It is their firming sleeping mask. I've also heard a lot of good things about this one, but obviously more people have talked about the water sleeping mask, but I'm super excited about this one as well. So these products have this thing called sleep scent, and it's a scent that's supposed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. So super excited about that because I haven't been sleeping very well lately. So the rest of the products are by Iope. The first one is the Biointensive Essence with Skin Conditioning. I don't know if you can see that. I think it's, I'll hold it on the side. So this is the essence that I bought that gave me the free air cushion. I've heard a ton about this essence. I've heard it's really good. It's supposed to be fermented as well. It's supposed to be like the SK2 or Misha one. I have the Misha one. I've tried it. I love it. I have not tried the SK2 one, so I'm hoping that the Iope is a good compromise because I'm not that rich. So next is the Hydro Softener. This has hyaluronic and white birch juice. Next is the Hydro Emulsion. This is from the same line. So it has hyaluronic acid and birch juice as well. Very last product is the Hydro Serum, also from the same line. The reason I got all of these products is because since I heard so many good things about the essence, I just wanted to try a bunch of the products to see if I could get even better results than just the essence alone. And I'm planning on doing a review on the Iope line and then also the Laneige products. So I think what I'm going to do is use them all for about 3 to 4 weeks and let you guys know if I saw a difference, if I felt like some things worked and some things didn't, and how long it took me to see a difference. So I'll probably do like little mini video updates during it, and then I'll let you guys know. So anyway, that was the end of my haul. That's everything that I got. I think in my, I don't remember if it was either my morning or my nighttime Korean skincare routine, I told you guys that I went to a store called Aditon. And the reason I thought that is because the bags and everything say it on it, but the shop was actually called Amore Shop. So sorry about the confusion. If you want to check it out, it is on Spring Mountain. The lady's super cool, super nice. So I let you guys know at the beginning of the video that I am doing a giveaway soon. I am going to put the rules and how you will enter in my very next video. So what you're going to do this video is click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you can be notified as soon as my next video drops, so you can enter my giveaway. And it's going to be super cool products that I really like. So I really hope you guys enter, hope you like it, and yeah, that's it. So I'll see you in my next video. It is going to be another haul, and some of the things from the haul are actually going into the giveaway, so super excited. Hope you guys are too. I will see you guys next time.